Okay, it's great. Now we can talk about mathematics. When did you start learning math?
Okay, I started learning maths from class one, maybe, because that is the first time I learned like some mathematics from class one, first time.
Do you like math?
To be honest, no, I don't like math very much, but sometimes I enjoy it also when I know the rules very well and I can do the mathematics, I can solve the math. That time I like it. But basically, no, I don't like math.
Okay, so tell me one another thing. Who taught you math?
Who taught me math?
Yep.
Especially my teachers in many class, and I can tell you about one of my private teacher. His name is Ashraful Alam. He taught me math when I was a student of class 9, 10. So he taught me math very nicely, and I get a good score. I
Ah,
get a good
okay.
score on math. I can remember that.
So if you compare
And I
math and
have
English,
another.
if you compare
Sorry.
math and English, which subject is best for Bengali students?
Math or English? To answer this question, my perspective, math for some student, math is perfect. For others, English is perfect. So it depends on several students, different types of students. I cannot say exactly that math is perfect for every student or English is best for every student. So from my perspective, this is my opinion.
Okay, thank you for your valuable opinion and thank you for joining with me.